$400,000 on grills. You might already know what high-ticket dropshipping is, but the case study we're sharing with you today is incomparable. How on earth can grills bring you so much profit? And what grills exactly? And what can you take away from this story? Keep watching this video. My name is Matthew, welcome to Sellvia channel. First off, meet Aim to Find, quite a young Amazon brand and the example we are using today and take notes from. Let's first of all analyze the product offering. To provide customers with fast and reliable order fulfillment, the company has a warehouse located in West Hazleton, Pennsylvania. If you already have a business with Sellvia and tried Chinese suppliers before, you might have already noticed how much more convenient it is to have a US supplier with local warehousing systems. So, Aim to Find specializes in high-ticket products, meaning they target upper-class customers, reach audiences, and eventually enjoy maximum profit margins. And guys, grills are the perfect example of a high-ticket product. Their grilling equipment, especially stainless steel grills, are their best-selling product. But why did they choose this particular product niche? First of all, stainless steel grills are known for their durability. They last for many years, making them a wise long-term investment, and they won't ever break while being transported. Unlike cheaper grills that may rust or wear out quickly, stainless steel grills can endure tough weather conditions and constant use. Barbecue grills are widely popular and successful product globally. According to Statista, the global barbecue grill market is going to experience rapid growth in the upcoming years. Furthermore, the European grill market is going to exceed $2 billion by 2026. Barbecue grills have already been a beloved product for many years. Statista reports that in 2019, sales of barbecue and outdoor grills in the United States alone reached approximately $1.76 billion. The high-ticket product offering. So, we got it. Grills are cool, but won't it be more profitable to add more high-ticket products to your store? Some fancy, expensive items that can make your eyes light up with excitement. You know, items like luxurious cars, top-tier goods, and designer products. You don't need to limit yourself. Why not enrich your offering with some extra goods? More products equal more sales. You might want to add some extra kitchen supplies, especially knowing that they have a stable demand and by 2025 will reach more than $77 billion in sales. Air fryers, cooktops, and much more, with very good profits. What about gardening? 228 million Americans own some gardening equipment, and they want to use the best items to keep their backyards perfect. In 1 year, the gardening market in the US will reach $1 billion. You must take a piece of this delicious profit cake. Let it be some fancy lawn mower to keep hands clean, a chair to sip drinks in, or a hefty storage shed to keep their stuff in. And what do you think about home goods, knowing that the niche was estimated at more than $5 trillion last year? Rich people want to make their homes look and feel luxurious, and you can be the one to give them just that. Modern takes on classic items, old-school luxury items, or something with smart tech built into it. You see, when you get into high-ticket dropshipping, you offer products for about $3,000 each, while getting them for your supplier for a lower price, let's say $2K. And so you grab the difference between the two prices, easy $1,000 from each sale is yours. But that's not at all. High-ticket products attract a very special crowd. These are the people who've got the cash and are ready to flaunt it. They aren't swayed by bargain prices. They're all about that top-shelf experience, and you can be the one to offer them the very same luxury experience they're looking for. Where can you find high-ticket products to dropship? Fortunately, we have the perfect products for you. Sellvia has conducted extensive market research to bring you the finest high-ticket products available. Launch your high-ticket store effortlessly and start your journey with a store specifically tailored for high-ticket sales. It's not merely a platform, it marks the beginning of your success in the online business realm. Explore a thoughtfully curated selection of high-ticket bestsellers. Delve into our exclusive collection of 200 high-ticket items, each carefully chosen for their potential to yield profits and attract discerning customers. Experience impressive profit margins. With Sellvia, your lucrative margins are not just a fantasy. They are now your new reality. Whatever you want, we can help you with. Find all the links in the video description. Hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments down below for me to answer, and I'll see you soon. Bye!